Hi my friends, it's Sharon and I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world with humour and heart. The NeuromindSHIFT technique that I want to share with you today is about the pause. Now we know that when I do the APB, the awareness, pause and breathe, that the pause is to stop and do a NeuromindSHIFT technique. Now the one that I shared last week was to be able to just stop and take 3 deep breaths every hour. Now, when I say about taking the deep breath, I have you pause at the maximum inhalation and just to pause for a moment. You see, every breath has a wee bit of a pause in it. As we take that breath, it's a pause that we're not even aware of. But as we accentuate that pause, we engage the vagus nerve. And that's the 10th cranial nerve coming out of the brain that goes down through and in, around through the heart and around the lungs and down through. And what that does is it helps us to stay calm, to be calm, to have our blood pressure decreased, to have the pulse decreased, just to be present and to be aware. And so the next time that you go to take your deep breaths, the 3 breaths every hour, be sure to pause when you've taken the maximum inhalation. Just pause for a few moments, let that vagus nerve start, because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, and allow that vagus nerve to come engaged and then release it out. So, if you liked what we shared today about the NeuromindSHIFT, be sure to show that you care by hitting share. And until next time, all the best and many blessings.